show, Cooking with the Powells.
Welcome everybody to Hillcrest Cooking Channel. Today we are making a sour cream pound cake. And I'm Eleanor.
And I'm Elliot.
And where we got this recipe is Lonia BB Takes Charge. And if you want to make it, the recipe is at the back of the book.
And for the recipe for the bud cake, we put in the eggs and the flour and a ton of butter and a ton of sugar. And now we've put in the pan and we finished the first level and put cinnamon sugar. And now we're going to put on the second level and add in more cinnamon sugar.
Elliot, what was your favorite part of Lonia BB Takes Charge?
I don't know. I sort of like the part at the end where she gets a dog in it. And
my favorite part was the same part. I really liked when she got the dog and stuff.
Yeah. And now we're going to put this into the oven for 1 hour on 350. So now we are going to take off the top of the bundt cake. And here we have a super yummy bundt cake. Not that one. And we are going to try it. So now that we have finished flipping the bun and baking the whole thing, it took like 2 hours, we can finally eat the bundt cake. You want to try some, Coco?
Yeah.
That tastes good. Also, the cinnamon
It's really good.
tastes really good going straight down the middle here. And, I mean,
My favorite part is the sour cream. What's your favorite part about it, Elliot?
I
Thank you.